The red bucket, I see that. Come on over, kiddo. I see. I'm very proud of you walking while holding something. It's impressive, yes. Look at you. Look at you, my little walker. Oh yeah? Are you gonna get all the way over here? You are. My goodness, look at you. Look at my big girl. That's alright, 3 steps from the couch, I'll take it. You are so cute, my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you gonna come bring it? Let me see. Can I see the bucket? Would you have to give it to me? No, you're gonna play with it? Okay. It's a red bucket, I know. Oh my. You already took all your shapes out of it. Hey, Aurora. I hear ya. A did-did? I'm not sure what that one means. Are you actually going to be able to stand like that? I can't even do that. Alright. Bye. Silly girl.